things aren't quite level. Time to fix it. Today we're gonna get the deck level. Noticed a couple cuts that we actually had about a 1/4 inch difference on height from one end to the other. So obviously things aren't square anymore or true. So tools required. Longest straight edge you can get. Needs to cover 3 of the cross beams and a good size level and a 24mm wrench. Okay, so the mill was close to level. So what we've done is we've loosened off the top bolts so that everything floats nicely, and we'll get through it, adjust it with the large flat edge, straight edge, make it true. So we start at the at the start of the pad, work our way that way. We check both laterally, which we can see isn't level, and then we'll also check front to back. So here we go. So we're not quite level. Now the mill doesn't have to be perfectly level, it just has to be true to the side to side and stuff. But if you make it level, life is easy. So we'll make some adjustments. Take your 24mm and make the adjustments required. Going up, watching the bubbles closely. That looks better. Not a pro tip, but a tip that I've kind of figured out is that given a 3-bar span, you keep that one up, you loosen that strut right off so it doesn't affect it, and you keep that one up, and that way you adjust the 2 ends instead of messing with that and pivoting. So something to try. And that looks pretty damn close to perfect. So as we're leveling this, I noticed something. The mill isn't sitting square on its base. So we're gonna disassemble everything and start over. Anyways, folks, hope you have a better day than I did. Not that it's a bad day, it's a gorgeous day here at the quay, but we got some other work to do. So the mill head comes off, and then we level the bunks that the bunks sit on. Okay, back at her. Cheers, have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe. So, what do you think? Good enough? Houston, I think we got it figured out. Well, tighten her down and we're good to go.